Solomon Molly. I would like to say to you, thanks for giving all those things for Christmas. Merry Christmas.
What did you like that he gave you?
I like my little penguin. I like my shoes. I like my, what is it called again?
I think those are blocks.
I like my blocks. I like my coloring book. That's not my coloring book. That's my coloring book.
That's okay. You say I like the color.
I like my coloring book.
No,
I like my popcorn.
Oh, that's mine.
I like
No,
my
that's
puzzle.
mine.
I like my puzzle. I like my bear.
Okay.
I like my bear, and I like my little soft blanket. I like, what is this called?
It's a game.
I like my game. I like all the things that you got me, Santa. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I like my blanket.
And Jonah, do you want to say thank you to Santa?
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Ow.
Merry Christmas, Santa, and please say hello to our elf Lemmy. We miss him so much.
Ow.
We'll see you next year.
Ow.
Solomon is 5, and Jonah is 2, and it's 2013. Merry Christmas.